Hey buddy, good afternoon. I'm doing a quick video regarding this one, GhidrAssistMCP by the author of REMnux. Is the one that wrote REMnux, is this same guy. So REMnux, they create this one, a GhidrAssist. So it's a powerful Ghidra extension that provides an MCP, model context protocol server, enabling AI assistant and other tools to interact with Ghidra reverse engineer capability through a standardized API. For this room, we'll test it in TryHackMe room, a basic malware reverse. This one is supposed to be for static analysis because the room clearly states static, but for us, we'll try to use Ghidra to solve it with an AI. We concentrate on the last challenge because it's a bit tricky. This one is REMnux. I have REMnux installed in the VM. This is REMnux, and then also we can use we can use different model. For example, they said OpenCode. They have MiniMax free for a few days. We'll use MiniMax 2. So what else we have? We have this is a REMnux. It was, I think, last week, use artificial intelligence. We have OpenCode, we have REMnux MCP server, and we have GhidrAssistMCP. So now in my computer, this is how it look. So basically, let's do that. So this is our Ghidra. This is my app imported, but if you want to install the extension, you can do install extension, then you press plus and you can add your file. You can download it from Ghidra MCP. You go to releases, you download this is the Ghidra 12.0 public. Be careful, the one that worked, let me be clear for me. So you can see it's Ghidra MCP. You select it and then of course restart your Ghidra. I'm testing it in as the 12.0 version. I tried it in update version 12.02, didn't work for me. So, and then this Ghidra is basically, you find it in window. You can see it here is you have Ghidra Assist MCP, and then if you do it, it's, you can see it here, it run import 8080. So for the configuration of it, you can see this is the sorry, for example, if I want to use Gemini, it configured .gemini setting.json, and how that's how you configure. This is the default. I'm connecting through my account, and then the MCP server, your Ghidra, and then just do MCP localhost port 880. That's how string in the same directory. In REMnux we have different story. In REMnux I have I'm not using the Ghidra that come with REMnux. When did update didn't work for me, I downloaded the Ghidra 2.0. I need to run that one alone, because 12.0 is the one that work for me, at least for that. Now let's be clear. So the first prompt I'm saying to the AI for this session, you must only use Ghidra MCP tool for binary analysis. Do not install any software. Do not execute any binary. Do not use bash, pipe, or any system so it doesn't go. I'm concentrating straight in Ghidra. If Ghidra MCP tool are unavailable, stop and tell me. Verify Ghidra MCP is working first with save test. Now I already start Gemini. I start Gemini, and he can tell you now. He said list program. So he found Ghidra. Now he's testing if he can connect to my to Ghidra. I can set him yes. Now let's him stop there. Now let's go back to REMnux. Now we starting now string 3. That's the same one. Remember now, you need to install the same thing. So I installed Ghidra as Ghidra MCP in REMnux. Come with Ghidra MCP. I had a problem with it, so that's why I'm using 12.0. And you can see here it's already popping up because is doing here? This is the MCP analyze string 3 because I did it. So let's analyze it. Remember the same things here. If I go to what's going on here? Install function. I have my Ghidra MCP installed. As I said, you can install it with a plus, download the zip file and install it in your computer. That's fine. So we have that one. So we have the MCP. So we're done with that. So you get it there, and that's how your Ghidra MCP run port 880. Now for the VM, for this VM, okay. For the REMnux, we're using for the REMnux, it comes directly configured for you. It's config OpenCode config.json. Now we have the Ghidra. It uses this MCP, and then we have a REMnux. We're not using the REMnux MCP. We're using Ghidra. So let's open OpenCode. Now let's do this for this session. Let's see what happened to our Gemini. So Gemini said list function. I'm not telling him to list function. He can install, so I'm canceling it. Now we'll come back to this now because he can connect. That's the whole point of the equation. So now let's do the same things for the other to make sure everything is working. Now this one is using GPT-5.3 configured. Let's control shift V, paste line. Let's see if he can connect first to that. We give the same prompt. In the other prompt, we can open another OpenCode here. Performed read only MCP task, and it is working. So it's already confirmed it's working. This one it doesn't ask. For this one, we need to change the model. Let's use a model, another one. Let's use MiniMax M2.5, the one they said free for a few days. Let's use that one, and let's ask him this one also the same question. Now the question of the room, if we go to TryHackMe room, he said, let's copy this one, let's paste it somewhere here. So we just said to him, analyze is the binary strings 3.exe, and then let him, when you find the flag, show step by step how you found it. Let's use the same so we use the same prompt for all of them. Let's start with our friend Gemini. Let's go there. Now let's go back to this one. Let's see this one which said Ghidra is working, so he tested. This one is MiniMax M2.5. Let's give him that same syntax. And now ChatGPT 5 Codex 5.3. Let's give him the same things. Let's see if any other can get the flag faster. Let's see Gemini. We need to give him some freedom. He's still thinking. Okay, Gemini is thinking. Let me make it him fast for this one because I already told him don't use command. So let me trust him for a moment. Let's go back to our this one, GPT 5.3 Codex is using whatever he's using, and this one what he's doing. So the MD5 compute string. This is MiniMax M2.5. This is my first time using this MiniMax. Let's see who is the other one. Who will find that flag first? He's trying to do what he's doing. He's using get task status to Ghidra, so he's using Ghidra command. Okay, let's go back to this two. MiniMax GPT Codex doesn't print. You can see difference between the model. This one is assessing data limit offset. Okay, Ghidra list data. This one is doing get hexdump. Yeah, they like hexdump on strings. The AI, they love it. I think this one is he found something. He starts getting something. How our friend Gemini like string and hexdump. Hmm. Hexdump, get hexdump, Ghidra. He like hexdump and all of that. Oh, he got something. Key events location and he got it. That's the correct answer. 0x110. That's exactly where is it. He found the point. Let's this one Minimax did Minimax he like to talk too much. Act he give you good thinking what he's doing. You can learn from this. I don't think copy disclosure that's the correct one. He got also here 0x. So Minimax also got it. How about you, Gemini? Gemini tested before in the morning. He found it quick. I don't know. Now he got confused. No, he's using. No, he's okay. Let him run what he's doing. Let's go back to this one. Who the winner? Codex OpenAI. Did he find it? Or did he stop? He found it. So he found it. That's the correct flag. Flag resource are popular for malware. Confirm your flag string. Got it. I recover the flag starting with Ghidra MCP only. Flag resource. That's the correct flag. How I found it step by step. I open the compile entry and confirm the flow. Load string MD5 and then that's a function. Message box MD5 hex. We have been compromised from digest string, write to string, confirm the program hash, the loaded plain text, and displays the MD5 hex, not plain text. Then that's there they got the point UID 0x110, a block 0x12, index 0 in Ghidra resource data found. So he got the correct one. Fine. This one, the Minimax is still freaking out. The Gemini, he got it. The resources are popular for malware. The exact flag is. Now let's see his logic. I performed step analysis for the binary, so I think it got so as step one. Okay, the main logic. I begin by listing the function in the binary and then define the entry function. So he got the entry function correct. He got the W10. The program load a string using load string. Gemini report is good, more detailed than Codex. Step 2 and define the string ID. So he got the ID. Navigate the resource directory. Step 3 manually name directory. Then he got extracting the flag. I examined the memory at this region 0x0040A if F0. String resources are stored in 16 bits. So he liked the report. If you learn, because most of the course of reverse is expensive, so you can use it like that and tell him give me the report, and you can learn the logic. Then you can go later on. Then what you do later on, you go to Ghidra and then you can start learning, because there isn't too much courses you can learn from. Now the report from I like the report of Gemini, but more details. This one is it's also nice. Let's confirm, guys, so we don't cheat. Let's make sure that it's the correct flag. It's copied. If I paste that one there, no, it's not copying. Why? Let's copy it from Gemini. Okay, let's wait for TryHackMe to decide. Oh, he got it wrong. So Minimax got it wrong. That's not the correct flag. This is the correct flag. So resources are popular for malware. So Gemini got it correct. Codex got it correct. Resources are popular for malware. Minimax M2 GPT-5.3 got it wrong. That's not a correct flag. Flag what's over product and sent on application, not. Ironically, you can see string ID 010, the first string block 11. He got it wrong. Let's tell him that is wrong. Correct flag is, please check what went wrong. We give him some idea. Let's see if he can figure his mistake. Look, his nonsense. Basic on TryHackMe writer for this exact challenge. The MD5 Hash is. You see, this one is not smart. He went to the internet. Even we told him explicitly, only use Ghidra MCP. So it was a clear instruction, but he went to the internet and based in that's a wrong flag. So this one is a bit tricky. Even we give him strict instruction, but he didn't follow it. He's not supposed to go to the internet. I found exact MD5 hash. This is a sneaky little AI, this one. Let's see how long I will give him a 2 minutes. If he didn't figure out his mistake, I will just close this video. I think he has a problem with the ID. He figured out the ID correctly, but then he didn't get it right. So with Gemini, they all got it. They get it correctly. The math there, that one, I think is missing one step. He went too far to get. Let's see if let me search for it. Still, is not really fast. So we can say Gemini and Codex 5.3 are good. This one is still little. Let's go as a conclusion, guys. So the idea is, of course, you have this is REMnux. So you have GhidrAssistMCP is good. I will start using it. Otherwise, just install REMnux. Install REMnux. Don't upload Ghidra because if you upload it to 12.0.2, suddenly things didn't work for me. So let's be clear on that. It's still running in circle. I want to give him a chance, but I don't want to make a video too long. So because we gave him the same introduction, even this one cheat. He went to the internet to look for write-ups. Oh, I see it now. Local 808.110. He got it now. Set the resource ID and then load string A. Load it directly. This is different from what I initially thought. The find resource A call is actually loading as a custom resource type from rc.rc. Let's see now if we figure it out. And now correct flag. Now he got the correct one for the little help. So at least the correct plain text to get hash is flag resource popular for malware. Interesting. So at least he correct himself a little bit. He did some wrong math, MiniMax, but still good. It means if you know reverse and you can guide them, they will you'll solve problem faster and faster. So not just ask them. So if you can guide, like for example, you go to Ghidra and he said look for that function and things like that, the will can solve it faster. In any case, guys, thank you very much. If you have a question, let me know and have a good day.